Hello everyone, welcome to another wonderful and interesting video tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how to design a simple restaurant or food roll-up banner here in Coreldraw. Alright, like I always say, it's very simple and very easy to do. Alright, so let's begin. Let's head on to our Coreldraw. Okay, this is our interface for the Coreldraw once you launch it. So we head on to create a new document. Alright, to give the file a name. Alright, let's suggest a name, roll up banner design. Alright, the preset is set to custom. Number of pages 1, primary color, let's leave it to RGB. Custom size, we'll still leave it, the page size should be custom. And the width, we shouldn't temper with this now, I'll explain further later. Then the resolution to be 300 dpi. I think that's okay. And if you can't find this new dialog box, I have a video on how to show new document dialog box. I'll be attaching the link in the description below. Alright, so let's click on OK. Alright, so we've given our design a name. Okay, so here are the resources I'll be using to achieve this roll-up banner I'll be designing here. So let's copy it. Okay, then we'll paste it here. Alright, so this is the logo I'll be using. Then these are some of the images, and these are the colors I'll be making use of on this design. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, we'll head on to our toolbar and we'll select the rectangle tool. Alright, so let's draw a shape here. Okay, before you start designing a roll-up banner, you must first of all get a definite size. So there's one issue we do encounter whenever we want to design roll-up banners. The sizes often differ. So there are some that do theirs 30 by 70 inches. There are some that do theirs 33 by 80 inches. There are some that do 80 centimeter by 200 centimeters. There are some that do 85 centimeter by 200 centimeter. But I think the one of 85 by 300 by 200 centimeter happens to be the standard. So I think that's what we'll be using here. So let's change unit to centimeters. Alright, so okay, you click on this the shape here, then take okay, 80 by 85, sorry, not 80, 85 by 200 centimeters, and click on enter. Okay, this is our size, the size we'll be working with here. But if you take a look, it's very big and it will slow the work down, so we have to shrink it down. So there are different ways to do this. Is either you shrink this shape down to a size that you can work on, then when you are done, then you can expand it, or you just change the size here. This is 85 centimeters, so you can just reduce it to 8.5. let's reduce it to, then you reduce it to 8.5. that if your system would get slow when you are working on it. So, or then you can change it from 8.5 to 20 centimeters, depending on how fast your system can process the information. Okay, so but in this case, I think I'll be making use of this size here. This size, I think my system will be able to do very fast. Okay, so let's begin now. Okay, first of all, let's bring our resources here. Let's expand it. think this is okay here. Alright, so let's not forget our size is 85 by 200 centimeters. Okay, so in inches it's still the same thing as alright, in inches is 33.465 by 78.74. So it doesn't mean much. So I think this is as we're working with now. So let's begin. Okay, I'll need to work with my guidelines here. It's very necessary. Alright, so alright, I need to work with it here. It's very important. Alright, let's create some lines here. Okay, so that in case once it's being printed, there are some areas that might be cut off, so we need to create a border there. So all the borders for all the four corners should be the same. Okay, I think this is cool. Sometimes they're not definite size though, so you can just assume. Okay, alright then, R, and check this one too. Yeah, then you do same for the top. And you turn it. Alright, and see here, then duplicate this, then hold on this, then B for bottom. Alright, so this is not aligned, so I think it's aligned now. Alright, that's good now. So we can delete this. I think all our work has been, the borders has been created. Okay, I think we're good now. So we can give this a color. So our white here. Alright, so it's a good one now. Okay, fit to page. Okay, let's go to fit. Okay, so we'll make use of our main image here. Alright, so we'll draw an ellipse. Okay, alright, so you clip this into this clip this image into this circle we just created here. Do I have a video in the description below on how to clip objects? You can check it out and later. Alright, so you edit clip. Alright, I think this circle is a bit big. Let's undo that. So let's create another one. Sorry. Okay, then you clip. Sorry, clip inside here. Then also you clip this image into this the roller banner here, and you edit it. But before then, you create a duplicate of this for future purposes here. And you create a duplicate, then you edit this clip. So I think you draw it up a bit. Yeah, then you exit it. Okay, I think you can still reduce it. Then exit it, then you draw it down. Let's don't forget our borderline here, this one here. So just take it up a bit. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine now. And we'll give it an outline. Let's say 36. Okay, let's make it 50 and enter, or 60 much, 60 and enter. Then our outline color should be yellow. Okay, sorry, let's pick this yellow now, and let's undo that now. So okay, then outline should be yellow. Then should adjust this now. Yeah, I think we're making progress. So let's delete this now, then create a duplicate of this. Alright, then you extract the content here, then you delete, then you remove this, to right click, then you go to frame type, then you click on remove frame. Alright, so then we give this red color, that color we choose here. So let's pick it now, then you give it. Alright, then edit power clip, then give it a color, remove outline, right click here, then okay, then page down, yeah, shift plus page down, and the object goes behind, and you adjust. Alright, so I think we're making progress now. So adjust your preference. I think this is nice. Okay, so we make use of the drop shadow tool here. So I think we're okay. Then you exit the power clip. As you can see, we've achieved this effect here. Alright, so this yellow here, I think we can edit it more. So yeah, so we can take it up a bit. Alright, then sorry, then we exit the power clip. Alright, so we add this here now. Alright, so click on the polygon tool and hold on shift and control, yeah, then you drag. So then you change the shape here and increase the sides. Alright, then click on the shape tool, then alright, then adjust. Okay, then you can still increase the, yeah, I think this is cool now. Okay, I think this is fine, yeah. Now we should reduce the size. Okay, I should give it a white color, white. Move outline, right click here, then hold on the object, hold on shift 2, then you drag, then right click to drop, then give it an outline, then to remove the fill color, and click on here. So let's increase the outline here, so it's at 0.5 points, so let's make it say 3. I think 3 is okay. Alright, so the first one to make use of here is I think Futura, so 20% and enter, then off, 20% off. Alright, so make use of Futura font here. Alright, so drag to enlarge the font here. Okay, and hold on, click on the shape tool, yeah, to adjust. Okay, and you click on, So you adjust it so that it can fit into this area. So we'll give it a yellow color, then a red outline. So to increase the outline here, you go to this area here. Then from hairline, let's increase it to 8. I think 8 is fine. Okay. Then behind fill, scale with object, then overprint. So I think this is a preview, so we can still increase it. Let's say 12. Yeah, 12 is fine. I will click on OK. As you can see, we're making progress here. Alright, so let's move on to the other part, to the next part now. So tasty bite. So let me zoom, sorry. Tasty bite. Alright, so center. So increase the size now. Then we'll make use of grow bold. I so much love this font now. Then click on the shape tool to adjust. Alright, so select this one now. Then let's reduce the size, say 200. I think that is fine. Then we drag now. Then click on the text, then hold on shift and click on the banner and press C central to align it to the center. Alright, so we give it a color and yellow. Then an outline should be white. The outline should be white, but this time very thick. Alright, so I think we're using 36. Okay, behind fill, as you can see, it's not as we wanted, so let's make it 50. 50 will be very okay. Okay, I think 50, we still need to add it again, but this time let's say 70. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine now. As you can see, we're making progress here. Then you drag to adjust here. Alright, so we need to create an outline text again, but this time it shouldn't be white, it will be red now. So to do that, it's very easy. Do I have a video? You can check it in the description below. There's a link there on how to create double outline in Coreldraw. So I'll be illustrating it here though, but you can still check the link there. It's more descriptive though. Alright, so you copy this, right click, copy, then right click, then you paste. Alright, so but this time you change the outline, just right click here, then you go to this area, then you reduce it from 70 to, let's say, 36. I think that's a half. Okay, that is 1 point greater than the half of 70. And click on OK. As you can see, we're making progress. As you can see, there's double outline, there's white, and there's red now. So I think this is okay. Alright, then highlight it. Then you group both of them, Ctrl G. Alright, then apply interactive fill color here. Yeah, the interactive fill color. But this time we'll add this red color here. I think it makes more sense now. Then you adjust your preference. You can add multiple colors here though. Just click here, then you add, and you select any color, add, depending on your preference. But this is not nice, so you can add different colors. Click here, add another color, just play around. But this time we're not using this now. Yeah, I think we're okay with this. This is what I want to achieve. Then you make it slant. Yeah, perfect. Click on it, then C. Yeah, so let's don't forget our border line here. So we're still on track now, and let's continue increase it. Yeah, 60 bytes. Then click on it, hold on shift and center and C, sorry. Okay, so let's move on to the next one now. And let's add these images here. But before that, let's create a shape for them. Alright, then let's curve two sides of this shape here. Alright, and but normally when you want to make curves, you just drag it using the shape tool, and all of them curve at the same time. But to make different just a particular side curve, you hold on control, then you adjust. Yeah, hold on control, then you adjust. Now let's undo that, sorry. Okay, let's adjust this side here. Hold on control, then you drag, and hold on control, then you drag. Yeah, okay, I think this is very nice. Alright, so let's reduce the size now. Let's duplicate this, then Ctrl R or Ctrl G to duplicate the object. So let's increase the size. Let's increase the outline now. Okay, let's say 24. Yeah, let's give it a white color. Right click here. Okay, so now let's power clip. And also I have a video on how to power clip objects. You can check that out in the description below. There's a link there. Alright, so power clip inside. Okay, you power clip into the effects box here. So let's edit the power clip here. Okay, I think we're making progress now. Adjust your preference and finish. So I think we can still reduce this though. So let's say 16. 16 is not bad. Then the second one, power clip inside. Power clip inside. Alright. Then you hold on shift, then you drag to reduce the size of the image or object uniformly. Right, so I think this is nice. Yeah, once you are done, you either hold control, then you click outside, or you click on finish. Alright, so let's power clip the last image into the shape we created here. I click, then power clip inside, and you adjust. You can hold on Alt and click on it, then you adjust without entering into the power clip, whichever one you prefer. But I do prefer to go into details. Alright, so edit, then you adjust. Yeah, this is cool. Alright, once you're done, either hold on control, then you click outside, or you click on finish, whichever one. So now I think we're making progress here. We're making a lot of progress. Alright, so let's apply interactive fill to the background of this before we continue. Alright, so for this time, I'm making use of this color here. Yeah, this color here. So let's pick this one. Yeah, once you're done, click on it and adjust your size to your preference. Sorry. Yeah, this looks nice. Okay, so let's continue. I like this tree here. Group them, Ctrl G, and hold on Shift and click on this, then C. Okay, so let's ungroup them now. Ctrl U. Okay, so let's give them some right up. Okay, I think the first one is beef. So let me zoom that. Beef burger. Beef burger. So making use of the grow bold font here. Alright, so the color will be yellow. Then drag to your size. Then hold on Shift, click on this, then C. The second is turkey burger. Hold on Shift, then C. Then the third is veggie burger. Veggie burger. Alright guys, if you are finding this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so let's proceed or continue from where we stopped. As you can see, we're making progress here. Okay, so this is how far we've gone. This is how far we've gone. Alright, so it's making a whole lot of sense here. So now I think let's highlight this, then we take it up so that we can add the contact info. Alright, so let's zoom. Order now. Then add an exclamation mark here and enter. Then add the contact info. Key 234. Okay. Alright. When creating banners, it's always advisable to always have your resources and everything ready so that it won't take much of your time. So why it's coming out great like this, because I've already taken my time, studied and taken out jot down everything I needed for this design to come out very well. So let's continue from where we stopped. So on the contact info here. Alright, plus 2340903 okay, 540079. Alright, so center. So let's increase the size now. Alright, I think we're making much progress here. I always advise you to be creative. You can even create something better than this. So make use of the Futura here. I think it's preferable here. Alright, so make this bigger than the contact info. It's necessary. Alright, 200 is fair. How about 180? Then enter. Okay, let's say 165. Enter. Alright, I think we are okay now. And let's use the shape tool to adjust the text to make them closer together. Then you drag to your desired size. And once you are done, hold on Shift, click on the banner, then C. Alright, so we change the color to yellow. The order now should be yellow, and the contact info should be white. Alright, I think we're making almost rounding up. Alright, so let's adjust. Okay, then hold on shift and centralize. Alright, so let's add a line here. Okay, for this time I'll give it a yellow color. Move outline, right click, so adjust. And we can also reduce it. Yeah, hold on shift to reduce it uniformly, or whichever one you prefer. Okay, let's check for any adjustments. Let's enter the power clip. Okay, you can see this line, so I think we should move it up a bit. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. So let's exit the power clip. Alright, I think it's time to add our logo here. I think that should be the last thing we'll be doing before we conclude on this project. Group, then page up. Alright, so hold on W to enter to drop this object into the power clip. Alright, so edit, so you can't access it, so you have to enter the power clip now. So this is all we'll be doing here. Okay, let's draw a circle and give it a color. Move outline, right click here and drag, and right click, move fill color, then increase the point, outline point to, let's say 12. Then the outline should be, I think it's perfect like this. Okay, so let's take it here now. Let's group it, then P, and from there we can adjust. Then you bring your logo here. Let's don't forget our border line here. Hold on shift, control then C, and page up the breakfast logo. Alright, then once you're done, okay, that is it on how to design a roll up banner for a food restaurant. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple and very easy to do, just like I always say. Okay, to be able to export this as a print ready file, you can check down on the description below. I have a video on how to export files like this. Alright, it's very simple and very easy to do. I would love if you check it out. Okay, and also I'll be attaching the files or the resources I used in creating this awesome design here, so you can check it out and use it, then maybe send to my mail, which I'll be attaching there, so you can send to my mail so I can see what you've done. I guess that is all. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video tutorial.